Working on a Nissan Navara 2016 D23, came in, no fault code stored, down in power, recently had been to the dealership and back, and in this video I just wanted to showcase this is the fault and this is the fix for this issue. Currently driving a Nissan Navara. This is a D23 2015-2016 model, and it has issues down in power, no fault code stored of any kind. Has been to the dealership already, had exhaust manifold work done, including gaskets and some turbo feed and drain pipes, I believe, and the washers related to that as well, and it's got a leak. It's got a major type of an exhaust leak which needs to be assessed. So my main aim here is to try and pinpoint which side of the engine this leaking type noise is coming from. There's a lot of noise around there, so I'm not sure if I'm going to have any joy with knowing if it's left, right or center on this road test, but yeah, so lacking power without any clear direction except for that noise. So I'm going to get this back to the workshop and see if I can try and pinpoint that noise down. So back at the workshop I started to do my checks, and it did take a good bit of time, not going to lie, but I could visibly see soot build-up behind those heat shields on the right hand side of the vehicle. Now what you're actually looking here, images aren't great, but is the best shot I got on the day, is the EGR Cooler. So behind that heat shield in there, again driver's side, is the EGR Cooler location. And what I actually found was that the rod going to the actuator was leaking. So that actuator arm had exhaust gases pushing through it and blowing through it, causing that black soot build-up on the right hand side of the engine. Now this is a job that actually extended over quite a few weeks because of part availability, but what you're seeing in this next clip is the actual new part come into stock. So I decided to make this video to showcase what the actual fault was, and what you're seeing me point to here is the location of that fault. So that's where the exhaust gas was leaking through. That was the failure on this particular vehicle, and that's why this new part needed to be got in so we could repair this issue for the customer. Now I always like to show on my videos the before and after fix, but on this one it just wasn't possible. There was too long in between. This was a back order part and I wanted to still complete this video so it would be useful for anyone having this issue. This is the new part. That's one of the part numbers of Melee which I'm showing here. Pause on it if you want to get a close-up. Another sticker on the side showing 147354876 or for Roger. And again, this was a back order part, so this took a long time for it to come in. We had to get this out of Europe. Nothing available in Australia when we went looking for it, including in the aftermarket. Also on the box that it came was EC133 GIN was another part number. So if you have this fault, I really hope you have an idea of where it's coming from. Again, I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.